Starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3, exercise 3.1 from 3. Let's get started. Question 3. Write the missing number. Here is a 1 plus 10 plus blank equals to 90 equals to 100. So this one we can write 100 minus 10 plus 1, it's a 11. So how can we solve this one? 100 minus 11. So 0 is less than 1. We should take a 1 from here. But here is also 0. So this one will become in here, right? So if in here, so we can give 1 in here. So what will be happening in here? Here is a 10 minus 1, it's a 9. Now this 9, here was a 10, we already give 1 in here, so now it's become 9. 9 minus 1, it's a 8. I hope you cleared this one. 89. So here should be 89. Same thing, 57 plus 120. So 120 minus 57. So here is a 0 and here is a 7. So we should take 1 from here. So it will become 10 and these two become 1, right? So 10 minus 7, it's a 3. But 1 is also less than 5. So we again take in here. So now it's 10. 10 minus 5, it's a what? It's a 5. And we already take 1, so this one out. So our answer is 53, right? Here is a 50 minus something equals to 31 plus 10. So first we have to write 31 plus 10 is a 41. So 50 minus 41, here is a 9. It means 50 minus 9 is a 41 and 31 plus 10 equals to also 41. So question 3, A, B, C has done. In this diagram, the numbers on 3 circles in a straight line add up to 1000. Copy and complete. So look, how can we solve this one? In this diagram, the numbers on the 3 circles in a straight line add up to 1000. Copy and complete. So from this one, we have to add up to 1000. So this one, here is a 450, here is a 100. So it's become 550, right? So if we subtract 1000, we will get 450. So here should be 450. Now look, 450 plus 450 is a 900 plus 100 equals to 1000. Now how this one become 450? Here is a 1000 and here is a 550. So 0 minus 0, it will be 0. From 0 we cannot subtract to 5. So we should take 1. It means here need 10. 10. So we should take from in here, but here is not possible. That's why we take from in here. So here is a 100. Now this 100 from here, we will get 10 in here. So 10 minus 5, it's a 5. And we already give 1 in here. So here should be 9. It means 90. 90 minus 50, it's a what? 40. It means here is a 4. Actually, this portion is a 900 and minus 500. It will be 400. So our answer is a 450. Same thing, here is a 450 and here is a 250. So once we make summation, here will be 0 and 0, it will be 0. 5 plus 5, it's a 10, 0. carry 1 4 plus 2 is a 6 plus 1 7. So we should write in here 300. It means 450 plus 250 plus 300, it's become 1000. Okay, now here is a 250 and here is a 350. So what will be the summation? 250 and 350. Here is a 0, 5 plus 5 is a 10, 0. Carry 1, 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 1 is a 6. So here should be 400, right? And here is a 450 and here is a 350. 450, 350, 0, 5, 5, 0, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 3 is a 7, it's a 8. 800, so we should write in here 200. So very simple. So number 4 has done. Number 5, missing the operation signs. So what is the operation sign? It's like a plus sign, it's a minus sign, it's a multiplication, or can be division. Okay, so 28 plus 72, it's equal to 100. Now 55 equals to 70 minus 15 will be 55. So number 5AB has done. Next, number 6. Question 6. In this diagram, the rule is double the number in the square and add the number in the triangle to make the number in the circle. Like this is a 5, but a square we have to double. So 5 double, it means what? 5 double, it means 5 times 2 become 10. Now look, 10 plus 2 become 12. So same thing. Here is a 25. We should make double. 25 times 2 become 50. Now 50 plus 5, here will be 55. Same thing, 25 become 50 and here is 100. So 100 minus 50 will be 50. Very simple. Question 7. Here is a square, triangle and circle. Once we make summation, we will get 10. So what number could square, then triangle and circle? Any 3 number once we make summation, like it can be square can be 2, triangle can be 3 and circle can be 5, and finally 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 10. Very simple. So this number can be different, already mentioned in here. You may have different answer. Can you think of your other possible answer? Suppose we can write like 4 plus 2 plus 4 also 10, right? And if anybody want like 7, then plus 2 also 10. So there are different types of answer can be happen in this question. So number 7 has done. Now we will try to last math of exercise 3.1. Think like a mathematician. Each of the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to complete the cross pattern, the total going across must be the same as the total going down. You will show you are specializing when you find solution to the problem. So first we have to understand what are saying in here. So it means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have to put any place, and each of the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 to complete the cross pattern. Okay, we will put the total going across must be the same the total going down. So this one summation and this one summation will be same. So how can we make this one? So what can we do? Let's say like 4 plus 6 10 plus 5 is a 15. Same thing, 7 plus 3 plus 5 also 15. So we can write like 3 and then 5 and 7. 3 plus 5 is a 8 plus 7 is a 15. Same thing, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, it's a 10. But it's a 15. So this is very interesting math. You have to carefully handle this one. So thank you very much for being with me. This video by some math, I'm trying to complete exercise 3.1. Next video we will start 3.2, which is addition and subtraction of whole number, and the part will be, it's important, which is we will see in the exercise. It's a different types of math, like what can we say, it's coming exercise 3.2 where we also calculate something. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.